viewers, and thanks for joining us. I am Mahmoud Inor. On the news today, Niger State government replaces retired and dead health workers. Chief Judge cautions lawyers to desist from filing frivolous petitions against judicial officers. And Niger State government seeks partnership with NSCDC to protect critical assets. Stay tuned for details. Niger State Governor Mohamed Umaru Bago has given express approval for the replacement of retired, dead, as well as recruitment of 1,000 health workers to fill the vacuum in the state sector across the state. Commissioner for Primary Health Care, Dr. Ibrahim Dangana, dropped the hint in his remarks at the commissioning of newly built laboratory renovated public health center at Mrs. Elizabeth Shaba Maternal Child Health Clinic in the Ikangbe-Chanchagal local government area of Niger State. Dr. Dangana noted that the health sector was one of the utmost priority in the urban renewal initiative of Governor Umaru Bago-led administration, saying it is in line with that vision that he created Ministry for Primary and Secondary Health Care so as to strengthen the sector in the state. He further explained that plans are underway by the state government to renovate and equip all primary health care centers across the 274 wards of the state, adding that the governor's initiative was aimed at ranking the state among the top 3 performing states in terms of health care services to the people. Earlier, the Commissioner for Local Government and Chieftaincy Affairs, Hamidu Moazu Jentabo, had challenged Council Chairman to implement people-oriented projects in order to complement efforts of the state government. Jentabo explained that the ministry will not hesitate to support any local council that initiative project aimed to uplift the living standard of the people. The commissioner, represented by the permanent secretary Abubakar Aliu Mila, lauded Chanchaga Local Council Chairman for his foresight to provide health care to local communities and urged other chairmen to key into the urban renewal policy of Bago administration. Chairman Chanchaga Local Government Honorable Aminu Yakubu Ladan maintained that the council, with the support of all multilateral partners, are working towards equipping the primary health care facilities to complement the efforts of the state government. Yakubu Laden disclosed that the council under his leadership has sponsored indigent students to study various health institutions, promising that after their graduation, the council will absorb them into her primary health care centers. The local government boards also revealed that during the period under review, the council had offset medical bills of the less privileged of the council at the General Hospital, Mina. He said to maintain hygiene and healthy environment, the local government had drilled a motorized borehole at Mina Abattoir, pointing out that the council had deployed security personnel to man primary health care in Limawa ward to secure the facilities which have been threatened by thieves. He, however, explained that Mrs. Elizabeth Shaba Maternal Child Health Clinic Ikangbe was renovated and equipped with medical facilities such as X-ray and scanning machines, beds, and consumable, among others. The Chief Judge of Niger State, Justice Halima Ibrahim Abdul Malik, has advised members of the Nigerian Bar Association (NBA) Mina branch to desist from filing frivolous petitions against judicial officers. She said all petitions must be accompanied by verifying affidavits, or else the implication, according to the Chief Judge, will amount to prosecution for perjury. Addressing participants at the opening ceremony of the Mina branch of the NBA Annual Law Week held at Justice Idris Lego Kutigi International Conference Center in Mina, Justice Halima Ibrahim noted that the success of the administration of justice system rests substantially on the independence of the judiciary, stating that it is a tropical issue in the front burner of national discourse. She stated that corruption allegations abound, whether real or infringement imaginations of those making the allegations, stressed the need for resolution of zero tolerance for corruption, which may rear its ugly head in any form or manner. Justice Halima had called on the forum to counsel participants on the need to key in the effort, adding that corruption, as we all know, is not limited to illegal exchange for money for undeserved favor. The Chief Judge admonished members of the bar to ensure that in the course of prosecuting cases, they should strictly adhere to the etiquette and decorum expected from members of the profession. Earlier, the chairman, MENA branch of the Nigerian Bar Association NBA, Barrister Mohammed Abdul Qadir Waziri, described the judiciary as the live wire of democracy, noting that it is unfortunate that the judiciary is on trial as it has been accused of exclusively working for high and mighty in the society. According to the NBA chairman, while judicial corruption is an impediment of the administration of justice in Nigeria, it is unfair to allege that the judiciary only works for the rich, stating that there were many instances where powerful and influential people have been convicted in the courts for various offenses, and some are still serving jail time. Niger State government seeks partnership with the Niger State Command of Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps (NSCDC) in protecting critical assets, especially in the telecommunication facilities in the state. The State Commissioner of Communications, Technology and Digital Economy, Alhaji Suleiman Isa, made this known during a courtesy visit to the Commandant, Mr. Joachim Okafor in Mina. The Commissioner had complained over some pockets of vandalizations of communications facilities in the state, adding that some telecommunications investors have cried out. He therefore called for restraint to enhance zero incidents of the menace for effective and efficient service delivery. Responding, the Niger State Commandant of the NSCDC, Joshua Okafor, has warned criminals involved in the vandalization of public assets and infrastructures to start relocating from the state or face full wrath of the law. He affirmed command's commitment to collaborate and give the state all the needed support in fighting vandalism tendencies. The commandant assured that the vandals have no home, neither do they have a hiding place in Niger State, while revealing that within the period under review, the command has recorded some achievements. Niger State House of Assembly has stepped down the request of the state governor Mohammed Umar Bago to access 50 billion loan facility offered by the Union Bank PLC for the establishment of an agricultural food park and farm estate. The governor in the letter said the facility seeks to support the state government initiative for actualizing the ongoing green economic resolution of the state and create value chain for farm produce in ensuring bumper harvest and food security for the state and the country. The Speaker, Barrister Mohammed Sarkindaji, at the plenary said the House, as the representative of the people, should be furnished with details of every kobo and how it intends to expand the funds, ensuring that it will not be business as usual. The committee, led by the member representing Mashegu constituency, said the executive had not presented enough evidences on how it intends to spend the fund, hence the need for more time to enhance due diligence. Other members argued that the executive should be specific on where the agricultural food parks and farm estates will be located and the role of local government in the process. Similarly, the House has approved the request of the state governor to access the 15 billion contract financing facility offered by Access Bank PLC for the takeoff of the newly established Abdullahi Kure University Mina. And that's about the size of our package on Lina TV News. Do well to follow us on all our social media handles at Lina TV 247. And you can also visit our website at www.linatv.com.ng. For news coverage, contact the number scrolling on your screen. Do have a pleasant day.